Welcome to Review Lab. The best shed hunting dog training kit is probably one of the most essential investments a dedicated hunter can make to ensure their canine companion is not only a loyal friend but also a highly effective partner in the field, capable of locating those elusive shed antlers with unparalleled precision and enthusiasm, ultimately enhancing the overall success and enjoyment of your hunting expeditions. Number 5. SportDOG FieldTrainer 425X Remote Trainer. Introducing the FieldTrainer 425X, your ultimate tool for achieving reliable off-leash control. It's designed to help you train your dog with confidence, even at a distance. Experience consistent control up to 500 yards away. This system supports training for up to 3 dogs, making it versatile for multiple pets. Fine-tune your training approach with 21 levels of static stimulation, tone, and vibration. It's designed to adapt to your dog's specific needs and behaviors. Don't let the elements hold you back. This device is fully submersible up to 25 feet and built with durable materials for rugged field use. With its quick charge feature, it's always ready when you are. Spend less time waiting and more time training your canine companion. Serious trainers rely on this brand for proven performance and expert-backed guidance. Get the results you and your dog deserve. What we like. This offers reliable control over a significant distance, making it ideal for off-leash training in open areas. If you need to manage multiple dogs or train in challenging weather conditions, this is a solid choice. Its durability ensures it can withstand rigorous field use. What people say. This product is amazing. The fact that it is waterproof is no joke. This collar belongs to my daughter for her dog. They live on my house. Today while the dog was in my care I inadvertently threw the remote for the collar in the washing machine. Oops. It is still working without even a hiccup. I only use the sound and vibration options, and my dog responds immediately with no training required. At the park, this has been a game changer. When my dog starts to run towards a skirmish or potential fight, a press of the sound button brings her running back to me. The range on this is also amazing. Ease of remote is very easy. Number 4. CATHYLIFE Leather Dog Doorbells. Introducing a premium solution for your puppy's potty training needs. This device offers a more refined approach to teaching your dog to signal when they need to go outside. Crafted with high-quality copper bells and a polished silica polymer inner ball, it produces a crisp, bright sound. The sturdy leather strap and connecting parts are built to last, even with playful pups. More than just a training tool, its elegant leather and brass design serves as a beautiful decorative piece for your home. It's a functional item that also enhances your decor. Easily hang it on your doorknob for immediate use. Our simple 3-step process makes training your furry friend straightforward and enjoyable, eliminating the need for barking or scratching. If you prefer not to install a dog door, this is the perfect alternative. It's an easy-to-use solution that facilitates clear communication with your pet. We've chosen premium materials to ensure both functionality and style. This product is designed to withstand your dog's energy while looking great in your home. What we like. This product provides a more aesthetically pleasing and durable option for potty training. If you're looking for a training aid that also doubles as a decorative piece and want a clear, pleasant sound to signal potty needs, this is the one. It's perfect for those who want an easy, stress-free training experience without altering their doors. What people say. The length goes down low enough for him to ring it even though he is a puppy, so I feel like the size would work for any dog. Also the training was so easy. It has exceeded my expectations. I purchased it because I am going to be moving into a new home I just built, and I wanted to replace my old rusty one. I had no idea that you could purchase one so lovely. It's going to be beautiful in my new home. And I can't believe the bells will never rust. That's awesome. The adjustable strap makes it fit any doorknob perfectly, and the copper bells produce a clear, gentle sound that's easy to hear without being annoying. The leather is thick and durable, and it's holding up well to frequent use. My friend's dog picked up on how to use it surprisingly fast, and it's been a lifesaver for house training. Number 3. SportDOG Rechargeable In-Ground Fence System. Keep your dog safely contained with our customizable electric fence. It creates clear boundary cues, covering up to 113 acres of land. This comprehensive system includes everything you need for training. It comes with a collar receiver, transmitter, charging cable, wire, and boundary flags. Designed for rugged outdoor use, it features weatherproof materials and a waterproof collar. This system is built to last, even with active dogs. Our gear is designed by professionals for demanding real-world conditions. You can count on durable, no-nonsense tools that perform reliably. Serious trainers trust our brand for proven performance and consistent control. Get expert-backed guidance for effective training results. What we like. This system creates a secure containment area for your dog without the need for traditional fencing. If you have a larger property and want to ensure your dog stays within safe boundaries, this is an excellent solution. Its expandable design and durable, waterproof components make it a long-lasting investment for pet safety. What people say. Collars last quite a while on a single charge. The collars flash green when charged. After you unplug them from charging, you will have to turn them on. Lightweight and easy to use. Multiple settings: vibrate, buzz, shock. I have mine on buzz. Works perfectly. The installation and operating instructions are very well done. The controller and collar core work great. Number 2. DogBone BloodTrail Scent Tracking Training Kit. Introducing the ultimate liquid scent training kit, specifically designed to train your dog to track and recover wounded deer. It's the only one of its kind on the market. This innovative tool expertly mimics the authentic scents of a wounded deer in the field. It's designed to replicate that crucial experience during your hunting dog training sessions. Simply lay down scent clues using items like a tennis ball or a real hide. This process effectively replicates a realistic wounded deer trail for comprehensive training. Crafted with unmatched quality and reliability, our dog training tools are proudly made right here in the USA. You can trust in the superior craftsmanship. Elevate your hunting dog's capabilities with this essential training kit. It's the perfect addition to your arsenal of hunting dog accessories and training tools. What we like. This specialized scent is designed to train your dog specifically for tracking and recovering wounded deer. If you are a hunter looking to hone your dog's skills in a very specific and critical scenario, this tool is invaluable. It provides a realistic simulation for effective, targeted training. What people say. Worked as it said it did. My dog tracked the trail every time I used it. Product works just as advertised. I started my BlueTick hound on it when he was 3 months. Now he's 20 months old and ready for his second hunting season. He has blood trailed a total of 6 different fatally wounded deer last season, finding all 6. Some trails were up to 150 yards long. I'm in Florida, so terrain varies from flat woods to bay swamp. Some of the trails were easily noticeable, blood, and some didn't bleed enough for the eye to see. The hound had no problem. I started him with this product and continue to use it now. I would recommend it to all avid hunters who use dogs to track game. In my case, fatally wounded game. Great product, seems to work really well. My pup took to it really well. A must-buy if you don't have the real thing. Number 1. DogBone Shed Dog Training Dummy, Brown. Meet the DogBone Antler Dummy, designed to introduce your dog to the shape of an antler during training. It's a safe alternative to real antlers, preventing eye or nose pokes. Crafted from a flexible, durable material, this tool is safe for dogs with soft mouths. The attached rope ensures easy throwing for your retrieving companion. Don't let the heat stop your training sessions. This dummy floats, making it perfect for water training when land sessions aren't ideal. Enhance your hunting dog accessories with this essential tool. It's perfect for teaching your dog how to locate shed deer antlers. Our training tools are proudly crafted in the USA. This ensures unmatched quality and reliability for your dog's training needs. Please remember, this is a training tool, not a chew toy. Supervise your dog during use to ensure its longevity and safety. What we like. This dummy is perfect for introducing your dog to the shape of an antler safely during training sessions. If you have a soft-mouthed dog or want to train in water, this durable and floating dummy is ideal. It's a great addition to your hunting dog accessories for shed hunting practice. What people say. Our pup can't get enough of this thing. He knows to find the shed. This trainer works very well. The scent isn't noticeable by me, however, my dog can lock onto it from 40 yards away. The puppies like having it soft to start with because they are still teething. We started with the scent on balls, moved to the plastic antler, and are not getting to real sheds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.